Hey there, welcome back. It's great to see all of you. I hope you had a great day yesterday. I really enjoyed seeing all the things you sent me on Seesaw. And you can see that I'm wearing a crazy hat here today. The reason for that is that today is Clay's birthday. Happy birthday, Clay! A little balloon here. Hope you're having a great day and you get to eat lots of cake and have fun with your family today. All right, let's get started. Today, boys and girls, is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. Last day of March. Here's how we write the date, March 31st, 2020, or 3/31/20. It's our 125th day of school. We've got 100, 2 10s, and 5 1s. I'll add a 1 there. In expanded form, we've got 100 plus 20 plus 5 equals 125. And here is your schedule for the day. Right now you're doing your morning meeting. Then I would recommend that you go and get dressed if you haven't already. I bet you're still in your PJs. Go get dressed. Next, you're going to do your math. You are going to be learning about surveys today, similar to what you learned yesterday, but today's the first day you're going to be using your workbook. You're also going to need to look into your green bin and find your 4 problems worksheet there, just like the ones we do at school and the ones you've been doing for homework. Good time to go get a snack. For reading workshop today, you're going to be doing an assignment in Spelling City. Make sure you've chosen your list. Are you going to do list A or list B? Maybe it's a good time to go feed your cat. Is your cat driving you crazy? Mine is. For reading, you're going to get into Kids A to Z and find your book that you've been assigned and read it to someone. If you have no one around that can take the time to listen, go ahead and read it to your cat, your stuffed animal, maybe your dog, your pillow. Just read it out loud. If you haven't brushed your teeth yet, please go do that now. In writing, I'd like you to get out your black journal and write down 3 facts you learned about the animal you've been reading about. All right, time to go do your chores and then get outside and play for a while. So, today underneath the morning meeting tab, you'll see a blue button that says Flipgrid. Since it's Tell Us Tuesday, I would like you to click there, then follow the directions on the assignment. Make sure you write down the password to get into the Flipgrid. What Flipgrid is a place where you can put a really short video telling us whatever the answer to the question I'm asking you, and then we can all go back later and take a look at it. So make sure you write down the password so you can get into it. The question for the day is, tell us what your favorite toy is. Tell Us Tuesday. When I was growing up, my favorite toy was a puppet. It was a bird puppet. It had a big long beak and long yellow legs. So, I can't wait to see and hear from you about what your favorite toy is. All right, boys and girls, it's great to see you today. Again, make sure you let me know if you have any questions or are having trouble with anything. All right, happy birthday again, Clay, and I'll see you tomorrow.